Many sellers are wondering why their home is not selling even in one of the hottest markets. This is Doug Allen with Century 21 Circle. There's 5 reasons this could happen. Reason number 1, it needs repairs. If a house needs repairs, it can be a big red flag to home buyers. If a house has visible problems, they'll automatically begin to wonder what hidden issues it has as well. If hidden problems are found during the inspection, buyers may back out before they finalize the deal. If your house needs repairs, you should fix them while you can. Reason number 2 is not getting marketed properly. At Century 21 Circle, we offer one of the most extensive marketing programs available. Your home will be posted on more than 200 websites. You will also have your own unique property website, social media marketing, virtual tours, YouTube videos, and professional photography. Your home will also have a 24-hour mobile tour available by text. Number 3, your home's been listed for too long. Market data shows that most homes sell for the most money within the first 30 days on the market. Of course, I'm sure you wanted to sell that fast as well. Homes on the market for too long cause potential buyers to start to wonder what may be wrong with them. Reason number 4, price is too high or too low. House pricing is a tricky and strategic balancing act. If you list too low, buyers might think there's something wrong. But if you price too high, you help sellers sell other homes in the neighborhood. Buyers will always seek the best deal they can find. When you're looking at a fair price for your home, there's 4 key things you need to consider. Comps in your neighborhood, how much went into your home, and the residential quality of the area. Finally, the last reason is you simply may have the wrong realtor. A realtor is supposed to help be in your corner during the listing process. They should be just as motivated to get the house sold as you are. If your realtor seems uninterested, unavailable, or gives you bad advice, maybe it's time to find someone else. You have a house to sell and your realtor should be working for you. For additional information, feel free to reach out to me. This is Doug Allen, Century 21 Circle.